Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change location in Instagram. So when you open your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen, you just need to tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner to open up your profile page. Now here, basically, you just need to tap on the three lines right there at the top right hand corner and tap on settings and privacy. Now, under your settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down and find the account type and tools. So basically here, so tap on this option. And then you just need to switch to professional account. So just need to continue button here and just need to select any of the suggested option. And then on the next page, you just need to select business. And then here, tap on next button. Now on the next page, you will find your contact info. So basically, if you want to change your location, you just need to set your business address. So you can type right here your street address. You can also select your city or town. So just like this, for example, and then you want to enter your zip code. And once you've done, just need to tap on this save button right here at the bottom. Now, if you are on your profile page on your dashboards, you just need to select the edit profile. So here on your edit profile, if you scroll down here, you'll find contact option, and basically you can just edit your location. So that's how you basically change location in Instagram. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.